Hi and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. Oh my God, today Vetiver Essential Oil. Whew. Oh, those of you who love patchouli, get ready because this one is phenomenal. It is a natural product and Vetiver is, it doesn't say, it's a base, so it's going to last. It doesn't give me a time frame like 48 hours or whatever. I am going to say it is at least 3 days on the test strip, and I think I'm being really conservative there. Ooh, gorgeous. Whoa. Oh my God. It's, how to describe this one, I have no idea. It is so beautiful. It is. So you can see this color here. It's thick. Watch this. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah, it's thick syrup. Thick syrupy consistency with a light yellow brown color. And whoa, very root-like. But to me, I think people would not agree with me, but I'm just saying it because this is what I think. To me, it's a clean root. And I'm just going to compare it to patchouli. So let me get my patchouli really quick. Give me just a second. Let me get it. I know exactly where it is. Okay, so let me smell this really quick. Oh yeah, so the patchouli is almost like spicy, dirty, gritty, all that kind of stuff. This is more root plant like, clean, like where patchouli is like multi-dimensional, like there's kind of it's super complex. This is a little complex. It's not super complex. Like there is okay, I'm not gonna lie, I put some on me. It's that good by itself. I just did. I love it. I don't care. It's that good. And it is just wafting up all over me. It's amazing. Oh my God. I love it. I don't care. Right here, it's the same if I strip. On the test strip. It's the same if I smell it from here. This is just stronger when you smell it here. So this is a base again. I know I already said that, but can you tell I'm really excited about, I've had no coffee. I swear to God, I've had no coffee. This is what aromatherapy and this is what perfumery does to me. It makes me go crazy sometimes. So this is one of those times. So I'm trying to really be myself, and this is me being me. So this is a base. It's going to last a really long time. It's really powerful. So I'm going to tell you in your formula, start at a low dose. Start with like a drop in your formula. Shake it up, mix it up, test it, put a test strip in there, see how it is before you add another drop, just because it's really powerful and it will take over a formula incredibly quickly. Where you might want to be smelling some other materials, and instead you'll just be smelling vetiver and that's it. So, and you probably don't want to do that. You probably want other things to be enhanced along with this. So it just smells very natural, very root, like a clean root. There is earthiness to this, but a clean earthiness to this. Really clean. When you want to go with a base and you don't want to use patchouli, and I'm trying to think of some other things. just vetiver is your other go-to. It's really, really, really nice. In its own way, it's complex, but it's complex in a different way than patchouli is. It's a clean earthiness to it. It's a clean rootness to it. It's the only way I can describe it. It's a little bit animalic. The more and more I smell it, the more I smell animal in it. And I mean a beautiful, like the furriness of the animal. And I'm getting tickled now because of some of my old videos that I've done on like furry animals. Because I've smelled some wild furry animals up close, like the fur. And I feel it just, I remember the texture and the smell and that kind of stuff in it. But this is very clean, and that's what's really awesome about it. You've got to give this one a try. Just when you do, start with a drop. Start at just a low dose, dosing it small at the beginning, shaking your formula up, and then testing, sticking this in, testing it, and then you can increase, because this is the kind that it can take over, and you don't want to have it totally take over, and then all this other stuff that you put in there you can't smell. So give this one a try and you will be happy, because it is beautiful. It is just going to enhance florals. The same thing, the same way you use patchouli, where I've told you patchouli enhances aromas, whether it's your citruses or your other woods or whatever, and brings everything together in a cohesive formula. That, in my opinion, but that's what this does as well. It just has a different type of aroma. But that's what's going to happen when you use this, because you'll use it, because you want to get it. You want to buy this one. It's really, really nice and doesn't take a lot. So, whew, wow. And you are welcome, because this is amazing. Telling you. Whew. Okay. So I don't even know where I was, and I don't even know everything that I said. I was in another world. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on Mountain Aromatics.